like really. From Tijuana, Mexico, live. Here I am with
Delilah.
Delilah. Okay,
Yes.
I just told her I've got 3 sisters, Lila, Lori, and Lana, and so, we're bonding. Okay, you're down here at our clinic in Mexico. Your honey is the coolest guy. I wish he was here. He's really cool. Cool people tend to hang out with cool people.
Okay.
What brought you down here?
Well, I had knee pain. So that was the main concern for me. So I don't want to go to the orthopedics. Actually, I did went with him and gonna do surgery, things like that. So I was like, no. And he said, we need to go with Dr. Berman because he's following you for 10 years. And he has all your videos. And I said, okay, schedule an appointment. And it is easy, I'm going. And it was very easy.
Okay, now you're a nurse.
Yes, I'm a registered nurse.
You work in surgery.
Yes.
And you're deciding to get it treated naturally.
Yes.
Okay, if your mind's not blown yet, because there is a point for surgery. I've had
Yes.
4 arthroscopic surgeries. I probably only needed 2. Okay, because then I found out you could regenerate. But you're taking charge of your health. Now, you're in the healthcare field.
Mm-hmm.
How many people go out there and say, no, doctor, I disagree with you. I'm going to do my own?
Maybe 1 in 100.
Yeah, 1 in 100. Yeah, I was going to say like 3 to 5%. Okay, yeah, I think you're more accurate. What got you? I mean, was your parents like really smart or independent? How did you get this thought?
But my husband is very influential, so that's the first thing. Second one is like, I work in the medical field. I know, so it takes long time for them if they recruit. So no. I don't want to go through that route. For sure.
Oh, fantastic. I mean, when you think your body is self-healing, self-regulating, gives symptoms for a reason. I say that like over and over and over. Okay, but it's true.
Yes.
It's true. And the body is designed to heal from the inside out. So now, you came down to Mexico.
Yes.
Where did you come from?
From Texas, Bastrop, Texas.
Okay, where is that? Is
It's
that
like 20
north?
minutes east to Austin.
Okay.
1.5 hours from Houston, so just in the center.
Okay.
San Antonio, 2 hours away, so we are.
Oh,
right there.
I've been in a bunch of
Okay.
places in Texas. I like it. So you didn't have any trouble coming into Mexico.
No.
You didn't have to put a Biden shirt on. No, that's been going from Mexico to Texas.
Yeah, no. No, it was easy. I mean, the flight was easy. I had to wait a little longer just to wait for the driver, but Pedro did fantastic job and saved the day, so it was good. He was very, very kind, and he explained the route, so we had a good time.
What's cool is we actually have a couple of vans a day that go across the U.S. side and drive people across to make it easier. But it's simple. It's
Yeah.
safe. It's nice.
Yes.
I mean, there's places that in Burbank where I grew up that I wouldn't want to take you. I mean, there's
Nobody there.
Yeah, it's safer in TJ in a lot of areas. So now, your honey's been into natural health for years.
Yes, years.
Okay, which he is really a cool guy. What could you tell people, because you're in the field, you're in the healthcare field, you've been there for forever.
1998.
Okay. Now I've got a boatload. I'm talking hundreds and hundreds of nurses. I only have a couple of dozen doctors. Now nurses are on the front lines. You're actually seeing the
real thing.
Yeah, the therapies, what the therapies are doing and what they're not doing, because we can't talk about certain therapies. Otherwise we get censored. When you're seeing that there are some therapies that you're forced to do that aren't effective, but you changed.
Yeah.
You get your own stuff now.
Yeah.
You're getting people healthy naturally.
Yes.
Okay.
Nurses out there, please listen to your gut. If you see that nothing is working there, talk to your patients. You know, we it's a common sense. Talk to them and tell them no, go away.
That's the one of the most brilliant doctors I ever. I mean, he was my mentor, Dr. Jacobson. He said, to find out what's wrong, you got to do 2 things. 1, you got to ask him. 2, you got to listen. And it was like, he's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, people
Challenge
know.
the doctor. Challenge him with questions, because that's what I do. I challenge the question. Tell me what it is besides that CDC or besides all other things. What is out there?
There's always a difference of opinions.
Yeah.
There's certain things that are never settled, and science is one of them. You think 100 years from now, they're going to go, wow, 100 years ago, we learned all there is to know, and that's it. No. I mean, I've got a ton of nurses that there's a new drug that's forced on a lot of people, and they say the mnemonic for it is "Run, death is near." No, it's not remdesivir. Okay, it's just that's the mnemonic they say. I would never say that because we might get deleted.
Yeah.
I know.
But you know what? You know what? So when you go to see the specialist, because I went to see a specialist, and they're going back, even themselves, they are going back to the natural path. And you're like, really? I could have taken that supplement before? I mean, it cost me like $8, and you give and so I have to pay to go to the specialist just for you to tell me this? Even themselves, they are going back into the
Oh my
natural,
God.
some of them.
Okay, have you heard of Gerson therapy for cancer? We're in Tijuana, so this is like Cancer Control Central. I mean, it's a lot of different natural therapies. 2 oncologists from the U.S. came here, hiding that they're the MD badge, and they're trying to learn stuff more effective because you can't. Some of the therapies out there, you're poisoning, burning, or cutting, and when really the body forms tumors. And so if the body forms it, you got to look at the toxicity or deficiency that the person's exposed to. This is brilliant. Was your mom really smart too? Like, as a lot of people, they'll get in this thing and they won't learn new stuff. Where did you learn this?
From my husband. No, my family knows. Sorry to say that. You know, I got it all. I have to give the credit for him. That's it. So he challenged me, question. No, this is not right. This is how your body works. And I was like, I had to go back to the basic anatomy, physiology, and say, oh yeah, you're right.
It is true.
You're
It
right.
is true. Yeah.
So, and then now I'm going challenge doctors.
Oh,
So,
good God. Okay, this is it. This is how we change the system. If you're doing the same thing by rote, okay, you're taking the same blood pressure, you're taking the same cholesterol, you're taking the same pain reliever, okay, are you suffering from blood pressure, cholesterol, or pain reliever deficiency syndrome? No. Okay, your body is responding correctly to the environment. I mean, God, we need 1 million of you. And then we can start taking the planet back.
Cool.
What could you tell? Because people are out there and they're stuck in this nightmare of drug, of surgery, of no hope. What could you tell them to motivate them?
Do you want to get better first? If the answer is yes, you need to stop doing what you're doing because it's not working. That's the first thing. Second thing, you need to come over here.
Okay, I got it. Okay. What you just said, you want to get better. On the entrance form at both my clinics, I put, do you want to get better? And I have a yes or no box.
Yes.
Because a lot of people, when I look at that and I see them check no, it means they've totally lost hope. They think they can't get better. They think it's genetic or this or it runs in my family or something. They've lost hope. Your body is made in the image and likeness of God. You're more energy than matter. However you look at it, you're intelligent design and your body is responding correctly based on the stimulus. You change how the body adapts to that stimulus, or you change the stimulus, you change your physiology. Bam!
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm not
you're
wearing
gonna
my knee brace. I'm not wearing
Oh, no. Did we do the leg swinging to regenerate
Yes,
the gut?
and we did. Yeah.
Was that a trip? Notice the difference right away.
The adjustment. Just the adjustment.
I know.
Yeah. It's not tight. So,
There's a lot of stuff I can't tell you. So like I'll say like 8 to 10 adjustments. I can't say like 1 to 2 because people wouldn't believe it.
yeah.
I know. But your body is a miracle.
Yeah.
That it really is. Please take charge of your health, take charge of your life. And if you've been trained in a certain fashion and trained with a certain discipline, and you find out that you were trained incorrectly, have the courage to change.
Learn.
Good God.
Learn.
Yeah.
Read.
Be like Delilah. Be like Delilah. Be like Delilah.
Thank you, doctor.
God bless you. You're
Thank you.
amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing.